Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we are gonna see some moisturizers. This is kind of a skin diary kind of a series where I have already made a video on face washes and toners. If you haven't seen them, then please check my channel and there will be these videos, and this will be the next in that series. And here I'm gonna discuss some moisturizers which are worth buy. They are really affordable and they work wonders. Trust me, I'll be telling you at that point of time ki haan, this is very good and this is average, and this is like I'll be telling you which you should buy and which will definitely work and which are like so kind of moisturizers. So I'm not telling ki they will be bad. Obviously I've included them in my video, then they are good, but some are really very nice and some are comparatively less. So I'll be telling then and there itself according to your budget you can choose them. This will be a very short video where I'll be just sharing with you all the moisturizers, and that's it. And I guess there will be 4 or 5 moisturizers which I'm gonna include. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So the first cream which I'm gonna recommend is this from a brand called Elibliss. This is their L-glutathione day and night facial cream, and it is enriched with vitamin C, and this claims whitening, anti-aging and glass skin. So according to my experience, this actually makes the skin a shade fairer, and yes, it definitely provides glass skin. And I'll show you how this cream looks. This is the consistency and this is how it looks, and the consistency is not quite thick, not quite runny, it is in between. So this also makes your skin radiant and glowy, and also provides you intense hydration. So when you apply this cream, you actually feel that you have applied some moisturizer. So if you have intensely oily skin, then I'll not recommend this for you, but if you have combination or dry skin or not that oily, then also you can use it. And if you have dry skin, then definitely you can go for this cream, and this is for 699 rupees, and you get 50 grams of this product. So according to me, from all the moisturizers which I'm going to show you, this will be the best one. If you think that it's affordable, then please go on and buy this. Then the next moisturizer which I'm going to show you is from the brand called The Beauty Sailor, and it is their skin brightening cream, and you get 50 grams of the product, which retails for the price is not written on the bottle, but I'll make sure that I give you in the description box, so check it out. And this cream has a thick consistency, as you can see here. So this is also white in color, and this also provides intense hydration, and this is good for oily skin, but intensely oily skin cannot use this. For people with very oily skin, I'll recommend this moisturizer from Pond's. I'll not say this provides hydration, but it mattifies your skin, and you can only use when you go outside and you don't want your face to have oil. Then you can use this, and this actually mattifies your skin, but you don't feel like hydration is there in your skin. So for people who have very oily skin, I suggest this moisturizer, which is a moisturizer but doesn't feel like you have put anything on your face. So this moisturizer comes with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, and this has 25 grams of product, which is for 49 rupees. So this is the smallest bottle you will get in this one, but if you want to buy a bigger bottle, then that is also available on all the websites, on Amazon, on Flipkart and everywhere. So go check it out. In the brand The Beauty Sailor, I also have one more recommendation. This is the rejuvenating skin cream, and this is for people who have wrinkles. So if you have to buy a cream or anything for your mom or person who has wrinkles, then this cream will be very good. This has 50 grams of the product, and then again the price is not written on this bottle, so I'll make sure to give it in the description box. Now see the consistency of this cream. This is also quite thick. This I have bought for my mom and she has liked it also, and this also provides brightness to your skin, so it also brightens your skin. The next moisturizer which I'm going to suggest is this one from Urban Botanics, and it is, I hope you can see, and this is their aloe vera gel. This gel is good for oily skin people and also for dry skin. I will suggest it. You can use it with vitamin E capsule, mix both and then use. And for oily skin I have used it. I really like it. It provides you hydration as well as it makes your skin radiant. So if you have issue that your skin is not glowing and you want something that makes your skin glow instantly when you use it, you can use this gel. It instantly makes your skin glowy and radiant, and it looks very plump and hydrated. So if you wanna try this one, then please go ahead and buy it from any website, from Amazon or from Flipkart. It is available everywhere. So this retails for 399 rupees and you get 200 grams of the product. This is also free from paraben, alcohol, fragrance and color. So this is a natural product, so you can go with it. And this is also, you can use it at night because this is an aloe vera gel, and you can use it at night and use any other cream in the daytime, whatever you like. And also this also acts as a base for your makeup, and you can use it as a primer also. So I'm highly gonna recommend this one. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you liked it, then please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what else you want me to make. And please hit the bell notification also, so that every time I post a new video you get the notification on time. And I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye.